Hello and welcome to the channel. Today is a very windy day. We had precipitation, rain, and I had to pump out the water. So I had my handy valleys and I want to show you around because there are a lot of flowers. And this is the pink Convallaria, or lily of the valley. It's white now because it's already at the end of the bloom season. I'm going to zoom in for you. Yep. So you can see pink tints at the top. It starts as a darker pink, but it will fade. And so I broke this, but it's normal. I have a small Aquilegia flowering. The lovely lily of the valleys started. So this one is the yellow leaf one, and unfortunately YouTube is not fragrant, so you just have to imagine the nice fragrance I have in the garden. Different cultivars, and you can see there's a lot of water which needs to be pumped out. And this one is Prolificans, and I pick one stem for you to see. It'll take some time. Okay, so there you go. You can see how lovely the inflorescence is, and the fragrance is also great. And this cultivar needs 2 more years to mature and flower, so I have this cultivar for 5 years now, and this is the best bloom season yet. And I pick a single one for you to see. Oh, this one is a very nice long stem, so you can see the difference. And oh, here the pink one is better because it's in shade, so you can see it's really a lovely soft pink shade. You can see the difference better. And some commercial cultivars. This one has bigger flowers. You can see that it's much bigger than, for example, the pink one. And oh, I have my Allium afflatunense Purple Sensation in color bud, and my favorite tulip, Tulipa acuminata, is in flower. And you can see it starts as yellow and turns this lovely red shade. And of course you can also see one which is eaten because the leaves are turning purple, so it's not great. Oh, and my gorgeous Dodecatheons are in flower. I will put these down so you can see the white one. This is Dodecatheon media alba, and this is Queen Victoria. This one should be, oh, where's the name tag? This one should be Redwing. I don't see much difference between Queen Victoria and Redwing. And this one should be Aphrodite. And I also have this lovely plant which is native in the US. It's called Clintonia virginica, and it has a tuber and it spreads really nicely in moist places. Oh, I have a lovely colchicum which is variegated, and my polygonatums are nice. Also lily seedlings, equisetum, and the hostas. I'm really big fan of the blue mouse ears and its cultivars, and except these one, all of them are blue mouse ears cultivars. Oh, and this one is not. It's Jack in the Pulpit. The Americans know it very well. Arizema trifilum, because it has 3 leaves. To be precise, it's leaflets. And I really much like these hostas. They're nice. I have bigger hostas under here, and I got Zeba sprouting here, and this one is Tricertis, and this one is Japanese Primula Siaboldi, and it's a double pink one. And still a lot of water pumping out. And this one is Euphorbia Miner's Merlot, and it's flowering now. And this one is a seed-grown Pulsatilla. The lovely Muscari. Oh, and I have the arums in flower. Lovely. They smell like fort, but I love the green flowers with these red outsides. And my double Ranunculus ficaria still flowering, and the lovely ever-bearing strawberry. Okay, let's move on to the Symphytum tuberosum. It has these yellow flowers. It turns out to be white because it fades. And the pulmonarias are wonderful. I am very proud of this hosta. It's, I believe, Silistring. Yes, it's from Walter's Gardens, and it's a novelty in Europe. I saw it last year in Minnesota, so it's a lovely cultivar. And I have my curcuma sprouting slowly. It took me 3 months to sprout them. And lilies are nice. I have buds on most lilies, thankfully. And I want to show you my birds. The pink one, the white one is very. This year you can see the frozen buds, Valentine, and yellow leaf. Yellow leaf has nice yellow leaf and nothing else. And some lilies have suffered really big frost damage, so you can see I won't going to have flower on this one, maybe on that one. And look at this lovely dwarf lily, a lot of buds. And I believe this is virus on Lilium formosarum pritzei, and it's supposed to be dying from the virus, but it doesn't read the literature. So you can see I have a lot of water on the lily beds. It's not great. They just yellowing, and the buds are aborted on the Mortagons. So, oh, and this is also a lovely Astilbe, Dark Side of the Moon, also from Walter's Garden. Some lilies are not sprouting, and I'm really worried about them because they came from Canada. 1 week of summer and everything is sprouting. This is now about 3.5 feet tall, so everything is growing really quickly. The trees just leafed out in 1 week. I have a lot of snails, so snails eating my lilies, not great. Lovely big lilies. And my Santadecia is flowering. This one's from seed. This one is from rhizomes. And yeah, I have a lot of weeding to do. Oh, these are gorgeous. These first generation TAs, very strong growing. And now the trumpets are also sprouting. Some of them has these purple foliage. And some of them got caught up in the straw. And look at this. Allium schoenophrasum is in buds. And my grandmother's favorite, Narcissus poeticus, is in flowering. So that's great. That's really great. Oh, and look at this fur beetle. I think I have to spray against lily beetle because the lilies are big now and I won't be able to see them. Look at this, how many buds. Pink fudge. So things are looking good, I believe. And the Candidum planum is in bud. The normal Candidum varcernum is in bud too. And I have some fruits ripening on the Gymnospermium. So lovely. Lovely daffodils. And the last of the tulips and the ornamental onions are just beginning. So thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.